Students, see page number 32. How was indigo cultivated? I am reading this paragraph. There were two main systems of indigo cultivation. Indigo trade, as well as the demand for indigo increased, developed, so that so many officers and commercial agents, they were attracted to cultivate indigo. So here we can see there were two main systems of indigo cultivation. First one, niche cultivation, and second one, royalty cultivation. There were two main systems of indigo cultivation. Try to understand. Within the system of niche cultivation, so how was niche cultivation? How was the system of niche cultivation? According to niche cultivation, try to understand. The planter produced indigo in lands that he directly controlled. According to the system of niche cultivation, who were planters, producers, so they produce indigo in their own lands. He directly controlled means in their own lands. Either bought the land or rented it from other zamindars. So they had their own lands. He either bought or rented it from the other zamindars and produced indigo by directly employing hired laborers. By hired laborers, they cultivated indigo in their own lands. Such method was known as niche cultivation. Now here students, try to understand this one. See this paragraph also in your textbook. Now see this one. The problem with niche cultivation. Niche cultivation, one of method, one of way for indigo cultivation. Now we can see so many problems also in a niche cultivation. Which are these problems? So I am reading, try to understand. The planters found it difficult to expand the area under niche cultivation. This was one of the problem. How to expand the area under niche cultivation. How to increase fields, land for niche cultivation. Indigo could be cultivated only on fertile lands. So students, for cultivation indigo, planters needed only fertile lands. And these were all already densely populated. Fertile lands, already densely populated. Means controlled by farmers, zamindars, etc. Means we can say that they were unable to get more and more lands for indigo cultivation. Only small plots scattered over the landscape could be acquired. Now, They could get only small plots, small lands, but they wanted more and large areas for indigo cultivation. Planters needed large areas in compact blocks. Compact means smaller. Blocks means here area of land. They wanted, they needed large, more areas. To cultivate indigo in plantation, where could they get such land from? But they could they get? No. This was one of the problem. They attempt means they tried to lease in the land. Lease means on contract. They tried to take land on contract basis around the indigo factory, around the nearby the indigo factories, where there were indigo factories. So planters, they try to take lands on contract basis for indigo cultivation. And evict means to force, to leave place. The peasants from the area, they acquired lands, and those who were living on that land, so they were forcefully, we can say they had to leave their places. But this always led to conflicts and tension. It created conflicts between farmers and planters, indigo planters, and it created also tension and conflicts. So remaining paragraph students will read in next clip.